Happy holidays, hip chicks. Whether you are in the midst of Hanukkah, you are ready for Christmas, and you are awaiting Kwanzaa, having the right tools on hand to get your family through the holidays is really important. And I don't care who you are, everybody's family has their issues. Nobody puts the fun in dysfunction like family. So when your family gathers, things can go wrong. So I have 7 tools to share with you to help you get through the holidays and avoid holiday havoc. Before I tackle my 7 survival tools for the holidays, make sure you subscribe. We have lots of great content coming this winter, and I don't want you to miss any of it. It seems that every family has that one relative that is an Uncle Buck and clogs your toilet every holiday. So make sure you have a quality plunger. You want to be sure that you have a plunger that has a flange on the bottom that protrudes out so it can get deep into that toilet gooseneck and clear that clog. So the flat bottom ones, don't cut it. Make sure you get one that has the flange. And a sink plunger for all of those showers that get backed up because of too much hair loss. So for $5 or less, make sure you have a sink plunger. You can use this in the sink, the tub, the shower, and even the garbage disposer. Now, speaking of that garbage disposer, if you have that loved one that wants to peel 10 pounds of potatoes and jam them into your disposer, you better make sure you have a disposer wrench on hand. This little tool, which is $4, will clear those clogs and have you not calling the plumber for overtime hours on the holiday. Now, next up, the Leatherman Tool. I love a Leatherman tool. This one is the Sidekick. This was a gift. It is a fantastic gift. If you don't have one for yourself, you could give one. It is multi-tool. It's got cutters and tweezers and pliers and, oh my gosh, how about Christmas morning? You need to open all of those wrapped in plastic toys and gifts. So make sure you have a Leatherman multi-tool on hand. Next up, power problems. We've overloaded circuits. We have curling irons, hair dryers, griddles, extra things in our house with the influx of our guests for the holiday weekend. So having a portable power pack is awesome. We have this Goal Zero made by Yeti. It is fantastic. You keep it charged and it will take all sorts of things. It'll take a regular outlet. You can do your USB for your phones and tablets. It has a cigarette charger. Everything you would need. It's got hours of run time. So this is a great backup if you lose power for a short time. Make sure also for those power issues that you have plenty of extension cords. There are things that you might need to run extra lines for with a house full of guests. And make sure they are safe, they're not frayed, and there are quality extension cords for grounded plugs. Now, don't forget that you want to deal with the carpet stains. Maybe your aunt is a little tipsy on Christmas Eve and spills red wine on your carpet. Capture is my favorite go-to. It is a spot eliminator product. Capture products are raved about from the carpet industry. This is my go-to every single time, from blood to pet stuff to food stains, wine, tomato sauce, you name it. Capture Spot Eliminator. And I follow the capture up with my little Bissell machine. I have the little green Bissell. There's also the Spot Clean. These are invaluable tools to help you keep your carpets clean, either when there's an accident or before your guests come if you have a little bit of soil that you want to clean up. All of these products are affordable and definitely worthwhile investments to help keep your holidays sane so you can avoid holiday havoc at your house. If you want more info about where to get some of these products, check the link in the description and you will find a link to them. Happy holidays.